What'd you get, Amy? What'd you get?
A doggy fishy.
A doggy fishy.
It's a sharky.
You caught a shark.
A baby shark.
All right. Baby shark. Baby shark. All right. Fish number 2.
This is Caleb. Say hi. Hi. Say poo poo. We've caught 2 fish on the reel. This pull only. No, not that pull. Can we show you? So we have Ghosty the dogfish over here, and Sandy the flounder, and one is Caleb's, one is mine. I named Sandy. I named Ghosty. Here's Amy. Amy named Ghosty. So, but hi. Yeah, and he's a baby shark. So we'll just check out. Check out the water. Check out the water. We're just patrolling here. Tons of other boats. Mount Rainier in the distance. Okay, and that's Grandpa. And that's Grandpa. In the mountain over there, I do not know, probably Mount Baker. And this is the cutest little guy ever, right?
There's Mount Baker right over there behind you.
Yeah, I already said that. But yeah, there's the ferry coming in. Waiting for about an hour away. Here, I'm gonna just show you the Pacific salmon identification. Chinook, coho, here. You're not showing them the sockeye, chum, and also some. That's all today, but good.
Dogfish.
He just opened his mouth. Hey, want to go, buddy?
Let's let him go. He's just a little boy.
Ghosty.
Here.
Bye.
Got a nice herring meal.
Bye. Goodbye, Ghosty. Bye-bye, Ghosty.
There he goes. He's wagging his tail. Sweet.
Yay.
And what'd you get this time?
A fishy.
Oh. Yep. Nice job, Amy.
Fishy.
Good job.
Fishy.
Yep, I'll let him go. All right, it's on. What do you got?
Flounder.
That's called Sachko.
What's that?
You had a shark came up and eat the flounder.
Oh, my
What do you think of that?
I didn't know that could happen.
That happened right there.
Oh.
All right, flounder head. What you doing? Out here at Jeff Head on the 3rd day of King Salmon. Keep reeling, don't let them slack. Gotta keep the line tight.
And look what Caleb got.
Yeah, something came up and bit that thing right in half. Keep going, reel it faster.
It's hard.
Yeah, I put the motor in neutral, so it should be easy. Here he is right here. What you got? Oh, you got a nice salmon. All right, you're done reeling. Good job, Amy.
Big one.
Nice little blackmouth. If he's 22, we're keeping him. We should do this over here. Downrigger line. Oh,
This is a big
there you go.
one.
Let's wear him out.
Yeah.
Filming it?
Yeah.
We got us a king on.
Yay!
If we get him in the boat, it'll be a miracle.
A miracle.
Here comes Caleb. I'm going to try to bring him in. Get the net down there. Get him in. Get him in, Caleb.
I got him.
Of course you got him. Woohoo! Look at that. First king of the year.
A big one one too.
Nice one. Let's bring him in before we lose him. Ah!
Oh my God. This is a miracle.
What do you think of that?
I couldn't say.
I can't even stop shaking. Whew. It's a nice one. Probably 14, 15 pounds. Nice. We'll get some more video of them in a minute. Okay, crack crew. We're reeling up. It's time to go. Hey, what are you doing with the downriggers? You got that one coming up, Amy? Harder? Harder? No, hold on. I want you to raise all. There it goes. Auto up. Okay. We're reeling up. I got a snap crew. Bring in my lines. I'll go put it up in neutral. Make life easy for you. Did pretty good today.
What if there's a fishy?
Got 2 salmon in there.
Oh, it's red.
That's
Shut
good.
up, please.
Red water is good water.
And the wing pond. I got a fishy. Really?
You think so?
Yeah, that's a fishy.
Kelp fish.
Maybe I actually got a fish. It's raining.
That's it,
now.
Caleb. I'll get it.